Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making fruit salad. I've gone ahead to wash all the fruits I'll be using, so let's cut and prepare them. I have here one green apple, one red apple, and one pear, all cut into smaller shells. I'll then transfer into my mixing bowl. Add about a tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Stir it so that it will stop from discoloration. Yeah. I love bananas in my fruit salad, so I'll cut some and add into it. I'll also add some pineapples, which I've already cut, and watermelon. Feel free to add any fruit of your choice or any one you have around. These are the ones I have available, so that's what I'm using for it. I'll mix everything together and your fruit salad is good to go, good to enjoy. You can just allow this to chill for some minutes or hours in the fridge and you enjoy your fruit salad. But I also like to go extra, so I'll not just end it here. I'll be adding some yogurt to it. I'm using plain yogurt, which I sweetened with honey. If you have Greek yogurt, that's the best for this. So I'll stir everything together, keep it in the fridge to chill for some hours, and then I will serve and enjoy. This is after an hour in the refrigerator. We couldn't wait for so long, so we got to bring out this and enjoy. So here we have a fruit salad. You can also add some nuts to this if you prefer it that way. You also enjoy it. Sometimes I do that too. And so here we have our fruit salad. I hope you liked the video. I hope you'll be giving it a try, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.